Harsha Thoughts. Hope you're all doing good. So today I'm going to share my view on Byju's. So now let's go and show how it works. So guys, everyone know about Byju's learning app, right? Here I'm showing you what are the subjects we have. So guys, here there are two subjects, math and science. So here I selected maths. So in math we have different type of topics. So we have different type of topics like playing with numbers, factors and multiples, fractions, decimals, line angles and triangles, circles. So like this in math we have 14 chapters. So in the end of the topic we will have practice and tests. So here as I am showing you practice and tests. So tests are very fun to take and at least we can know that how good we are. So here this is science. In science we have around 11 chapters, 101 videos. So there are different types of topics like plants, animals, life, food, water, our universe, our society, safety and first aid, work and professionals. And I like the animations in science because they create interest to us. So guys, here in the home page we have my profile. So this is my account and we can choose our profile. And we even have two fun parts in Byju's. They are Quizzo and games. So let me select Quizzo. So in Quizzo, we can play with anyone around the world who has a Byju's account. So here I can select a topic to play. I am choosing maths. So now it will keep on loading until I find the opponent who can play with me. So guys, for each question we have 10 seconds. So let me show you. So within 10 seconds whoever gets the right answer will get some marks, and at the final whoever gets the highest marks will win. So see, I'm keeping some right answers. And at the last we will have a bonus round. Whoever wins this round will get more marks. So here I got it wrong. So I won, even the opponent got wrong. So now I'm choosing science. And in science as well, it will be like math. I like science quizzes because they are very challenging. And guys, if you have your friend's account, Byju's account, you can add them and play whenever you want. So as I told, it's same like math. We have 10 seconds for each round. So here I am showing you. So first they will give basic questions, and while we are going the hardness level will increase. So here an opponent is playing with me. So like this we'll get hard questions and easy questions as well. Guys, as I didn't tell you, if we take more time for each question, we will get less marks, and if we give it within 8 or 9 seconds, we will get 15 and above marks like 16, 18, 20, and sometimes we can even get 21. And like this we can play multiple questions until the bonus round. So this is a easy question. Mammals inhale which gas? Oxygen. And this is question number 5. So as you see, 10 seconds are running out, and if I keep it correct, so guys, as you see, I kept it in less time and I got less marks, and the opponent kept it wrong. So this is the bonus round. Whoever wins this round, as I told you, will get more marks. So I won the bonus round. and I'll see whether the opponent won. No, she didn't win. Means I won it. So guys, in Byju's the another fun part is games. So here we have different topics in each game. So here I choose the tree cutting. So we have to answer a question, and if we get it right, something will happen to the hunters, and if we get it wrong, as you can see, the hunters will cut the trees and we will lose. So like this it will make us enjoyable, and we can even learn something new even in games. So as you can see, I didn't keep the right answer, so the hunters are still cutting the trees. So like this, not only cutting the trees, we have several games as well. So at each round we'll get our score. So I got 100% in this round. So at the home page of the games we will have science and math, and now I choose science. So in science we have different games. This is the race between two cars. The red car is mine and the brown car is the enemy's. So here, as you can see, I am keeping right answers and I am boosting up. So like this, if we keep on keeping right answers, we will defeat the enemy's car and will win. So as you can see, the enemy's car lost and I won. So as I told, again we'll get the rank results, but now I only got 79. Like this we have human body, and in human body there are several games. So I'll play Rapid Racer again, so that you can get a better understanding. So here again there's one question. So I got it right, and as you can see, I'm boosting up so that I can defeat the opponent. I crossed my opponent, and even he is trying to come further to me, and I boosted up and I won again. So here I got 100%. Yeah. Finally, what I want to say is that I love learning through Byju's. Keep learning. Hope you liked my video. If you did, please subscribe and give a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.